Welcome you all to the Civil Lecture Notes channel. So in this channel, we are regularly making videos regarding the job information for the engineering stream. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the vacancies which are came from HCC Construction, a private limited. So in this, we have the vacancy for the civil engineers. So which is all India people can apply for this job. So what are the job roles and what are the job position going to be dealt in this video? So before moving on to that, if you are new to our channel or you are watching this video for the first time, please click on the subscribe button to get the regular updates from our channel. So we move on to their official website where we can see the vacancies. So this is their official website. So you can see this. So they are doing the services related to civil engineering streams. So you can see that highway, roads, bridges and railways. So it is for transportation and for the power, like that they are doing major services. So in this, straightly go to the career section, and in that you need to go opportunities. So current openings. So in this you need to click on to the current openings. You can see this page will be displayed in your mobile or any desktop. So you can see that here they have listed out the vacancies. If you click on this, so the pages will be for the open like this. So for each job role, so first we are going to see about the civil engineers, hydro, metro and road project. So you can see that the job location is Maharashtra, Uttarakhand and Jammu Kashmir and Bhutan. So the minimum qualification is they required is BE or BTech in civil, and the experience is 4 to 15 years. So you need to have the experience related to supervision and execution. So that is the main thing you need to know before applying the job. So they have mentioned these two things in the first point, and also records of work executed, you need to maintain it, and site execution with quality, safety and environmental standards you need to carry out. So these are the main things which are given in the job description. And then designation, so previously I mentioned, so it is a civil engineer from BE or BTech, and then they should have the experience in hydro or metro or road projects. So that is the main thing. So if you are eligible and you are having this experience, then you can straightly move on to this section. So you can write your name, email, and you can upload your resume and you can submit it. So if you are shortlisted, they will call you back. So this is the first job information we are seeing. And then further, planning engineer. So these other vacancies required more number of experience. So here it is 12 years and above. So for planning engineer, they have mentioned about what the job role is and what the candidate should carry out in the work. So these are being pointed out here. So please read it, and if you are eligible and you are having the experience 12 years and above, and you can straightly go on to the apply section and you can apply for this job. Similarly, in project planning and control side, it requires 15 years or above experience, and then the same thing which you have seen in the previous way. So here also they have mentioned about the responsibilities of a candidate. So after reading all this and you are eligible for this, you can straightly apply to this job. Same way for HSC manager. So it is with any discipline, and 12 years and above. So if your friend is having this experience, you can refer them for this job. And at last, so it's contract manager. So BE or BTech in civil engineering or PG in construction management. So it is also required the experience with 12 years and above, and they have mentioned about the job description. And if all the eligible things are been okay, then you can apply for the job. So this is the information we are seeing from the HCC construction. So these are the vacancies which are being listed out here. I think this information might be useful for you, and I request you to share this information to your friends also. By that, someone gets benefited. And I think the video is quite okay for you. If you have any suggestion, please tell us in comment section. We will definitely improve it. Thank you. We can see in our next video. Bye.